Well, what a lovely day this is, eh? Good old British weather. Shut that window. This is terrible. So we're just leaving Dartford and I'm on my way now to Horsham. Looks a bit tricky. Need to get rid of the trailer somewhere. And also, all my lights have gone off my dash, mate. Sorted. She's all fixed. You don't want to know how much, but yeah, she's all fixed. Really expensive. Really expensive. So yeah, good old British driving. It's terrible. I've seen so many accidents over the last couple of days with the weather. 2 secs.